What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Owl, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Today, I'm going to show you how to make the ultimate loaded burrito. Ooh, we're going to get loaded tonight, so let's pop it up and get going, shall we? Yeah. That's right, buddy. The ultimate loaded burrito. And you're saying to yourself, like, oh, a loaded burrito? Are you a little loaded yourself, man? Well, damn, who told on me? Who was the snitch that let out my secret, buddy? Because the thing about this is, it's a burrito, but it's the ultimate style. I mean, it's just loaded to the top with all kinds of good things. And when you got all the good things done, you're going to want to roll it up like Pauly Shore. Now, first thing that you got to do, first thing that I did, we're going to add a little vegetable into this dish just to give it some texture and that good flavor. So, I want you to go ahead and take a bag of the mixed assorted colored peppers today. They're just some sweet peppers, nothing spicy, but you can go ahead and spice it up if you want to. Do it any way that you want. That's the great thing about this dish. It's very versatile, as you will see there, sir. So, go ahead and take your peppers and chop them up finely, buddy, just like you old kitty. Now, I want you to take a yellow onion and cut that up as well and set both of those to the side. Now, let's go ahead and get our meat. And today the meat is some big old beef, baby. It's some carne picada. And I'm not talking about a carne pinata, buddy, because wouldn't that be a mess? Slapping that thing and all kinds of meat comes out. It sounds a little dirty because that's how it is. So, we're going to go ahead and put our carne pinata in that pan and add our pepper mixture to it. Now, I want you to cook that for a while, spin it around, let it dance like Whitney Houston and sing to it, sweet meat, I love you, baby. Now, once you get your meat in there and it's got a good color to it, you know that your meat is done and your peppers get caramelized in there, let's go ahead and add some seasoning, baby. And today, I've got 2 packets of the old taco seasoning because we're going for that taco flavor. Now, once you get that done, I want you to go ahead and pull that out, and to the pan, we're going to add a little oil. And I'm not talking about that oil that you wanted, Michael Waltrip. I'm talking about that good vegetable oil, baby. So, go ahead and put just a tad of that down in the bottom, and then go ahead and walk over here and I want you to cut up some potatoes. Now, me, I don't take the skin off my potatoes because I like the flavor and I ain't got time for that shit. So, leave the skin on mine, give it a good wash, that George Washington, and then we're going to go ahead and chop those up. Now, once you get your oil in your pan and it's hot to trot like Big Papa, you can go ahead and drop the onion potato mixture in the hot oil. Now, we're going to put just a little bit of salt on there today. You're saying, Black Owl, well, what about that black pepper too? Well, we're going to leave the black pepper alone because we've already got the taco seasoning going on and we don't want too many chefs in the kitchen there, Gordon Ramsay. Now, go ahead and put your salt on top of that thing. Flip it around a couple times, and once you see that it's got that good crisp on top of them potatoes, and you stick your fork in there and it says, ooh, Mr. Softy, I'm ready to go. You can go ahead and pull those out as well, and we are about ready to assemble the damn thing. We're going to roll it up like Cheech and Chong, buddy. Now, gonna get loaded, and put that tortilla down on that plate. Then, I want you to go ahead and get that meat mixture, and put that on top of their heavy duty, Mr. Buddy, because I want that big one tonight. Now, go ahead and put the meat on there. Next, I'm going to put some potatoes on mine. And now, I'm going to go ahead and add some beans. And to this, you could really do any kind of beans you want. And as far as that goes, you could have really done any kind of meat that you wanted. You could have got some chicken or some pork and cooked it the exact same way, buddy. But you know me, I had that beef. That's what it is. So, I got the beans. Like I say, you can do any kind of beans you want. But today, I've got the old black beans. You're saying, Black, oh, well, why black beans? That's what I had at the house. Don't ask me, Sally. So, go ahead and put your beans on top of there, and boy, if somebody's behind me, it's going to look like that old commercial where that boy was playing that stereo. So, put the beans on top of there. Now, I'm going to add just a touch of the chunky salsa, boy, just to give it an extra kick and to give it some different texture, you know, make it good. So, go ahead and end up with some old Velveeta cheese and sprinkle that right on top of that sucker too. Now, we're going to attempt to roll it up. You may have made it too hefty like I did, but we're still going to make it work, buddy. We're going to use our years of practice. And tuck both those ends in on that tortilla. Roll it up good, sir. And then I'm going to cut mine in half just for display. And speaking of display, now we're time to have a sight, a big old beautiful sight, and a big old wonderful loaded bite of this ultimate loaded burrito tonight, buddy. Doesn't it sound good? Ooh, 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 I'm ready for it now, yeah. Alright, baby, the time has come. The ultimate loaded burrito is done. And I'm having that first bite for myself. I kind of cracked myself up on that one. That was pretty good. I didn't expect to roll my R quite so good. See, now I can't do it again. One of the things, I hit it good the one time and I had to leave. I'm so sorry. Man, I'm already making a mess here. Let me see. Ooh, it's loaded. Boy, I'm flopping. Man, but that's worth the slap, buddy. That is so good. Because you're getting the meat in there with the different texture of the potato. The beans kind of holding it together, being the drum of the backbeat. And then we got that sauce on there, and it's just like, I'm the star of the show, buddy, and I'm out front swinging, boy. So, I want to thank all of you for swinging by and watching another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. You can also watch all my other videos right here on my YouTube channel, and make sure to subscribe to my social media. Now, y'all have a good one. I will see you next time, buddy, because it's burrito time. I hear the ice cream truck outside, but I ain't going. I got the burrito, baby. Put some hot sauce on my burrito, baby.